Let's take a moment to focus on how the data from Airtable records align with the documents. In the document template, we use special placeholders, also known as tokens, enclosed in double curly brackets. The tokens are the key to connecting and synchronizing data between Airtable and our documents. Tokens in the document template correspond to tokens in Airtable. To access these tokens in Airtable, click on Show Template Tokens in the settings. You will then see all the tokens available for use in the document template associated with the table. Let's add a few more to our document template to see how you can create templates for use in Airtable. Let's add information on order status to the header. Click on Status and copy the name by simply clicking on it. Back to the template in our Plumsail account, choose Edit Online, and then I'll add order status text and paste the copied token.